After balancing the cash book, you will open the balance sheet of X Limited and prepare the outline or the contents required to prepare the balance sheet. Equity liabilities. Number 1, we have shareholders funds heading. Subheading A, share capital. B, reserves and surplus. We don't have general reserve, but we have capital reserve now in this question, so that is part of reserves and surplus. We don't have any securities premium in this question, but later on we may have. So you just write 1 and 2 working note and we'll have to find out in the notes to accounts. The other part of balance sheet is your assets. Here we have something new coming up now. There are 2 heads in asset side, mainly non-current assets and current assets. Under equity liabilities, there are actually 3 to 4 heads, which we'll do in detail later on. So just now we're doing only one head in equity liabilities, but now in asset side we have in this question those 2 heads in the name of non-current assets and current assets. So number 1 will be non-current assets. Under this we have A and B usually. A part relates to fixed assets, which may be tangible, which you can see, feel, and intangible like goodwill, patents, trademarks. In this question we have tangible assets, maybe machinery, land, building, plant, machinery. So 3 lakhs already given, you may write it down, but you will have to label it as 3 to show in the working note. Intangibles you may write, or you don't write, it's okay, but just to tell you I have written there. It can be goodwill, patents, trademarks, copyrights. Then the B part is called non-current investments or investments as we know of, which may be in a question, so that has to come under non-current assets. Then number 2 head is current assets. Subhead cash and bank balance or cash at bank, that we will do in the working note. Already you have ascertained this from the cash book, 12 lakhs 2200. So when you add, the asset side should be 15 lakhs 2200 as per the answer given in your question. So now we'll do the notes to accounts. After preparing the outline of the balance sheet, we do the working note. In company accounts we call it as notes to accounts. Number 1 you labeled as share capital. In the question, authorized capital is for 2 lakh shares of rupees 10 each, 20 lakhs. Now I have taken issued and subscribed capital together because issued is for 30,000 shares for purchase of assets for consideration other than cash, and 1,20,000 shares of rupees 10 each, and both of them have been fully paid up or subscribed. So you can take them together under one head. 30,000 shares of rupees 10 each gives you 3 lakh. 120,000 shares of rupees 10 each, which was offered to the public, 12 lakhs. So your subscribed capital or share capital is now 15 lakhs, which you will write in the balance sheet in front of share capital. Second note is for reserves and surplus. In this question, shares are forfeited, all the shares are forfeited, so the profit on reissued shares will be transferred to capital reserve account. It is a liability. It will come under the head of reserves and surplus. So 2200 outer column, and you will write this in the balance sheet. When you add the liability side, it should be 15 lakhs 2200. Then we have the third working note, tangible assets. Since the name is not given, what tangible asset is it? Plant, land, building, machine, furniture. So straight away write in the outer column 3 lakhs, we close in double line, which already written in the balance sheet. And the fourth working note is for cash at bank, which you have ascertained from the cash book, 12 lakh 2200. And when you check your entries, your balance sheet should show equal. One more thing which I did not mention earlier, in company accounts, balance sheet is always prepared in vertical form. In partnership, we prepare horizontal form, showing the assets and liabilities on the left hand side and right hand side, while in vertical form we show first part is your equity and liabilities, or the liability side, and below that the second part is known as asset side. This you may have observed, but you did not know that it is called vertical form of balance sheet, which is prepared by companies, not by partnership business.